Bakit hindi lahat ng GSIS members ay gusto ng 18 months cash payment at monthly pension agad at age 60? Good question po ito, sir. Sige po, may good answer tayo sa question niyo. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Opo, friends, hindi lahat ay gusto ng 18 months cash payment at monthly pension agad at age 60. Kasi po, iba-iba ang sitwasyon natin. Iba-iba ang mindset natin. Iba-iba ang priority natin and plans in life. Yes, friends. Yung mga gusto ng business, gusto i-invest ang pera, gusto magbili ng house in lot, gusto magbili ng new car, ang option po nila ay 5 years lump sum at monthly pension after 5 years. Opo, hindi lahat ay gusto ng 18 months cash payment at monthly pension agad at age 60. Meron ding iba na narinig ko, ayaw nila ng 18 months at age 60 agad ang pension kasi po may problem sila sa health. Ang gusto nila why they are healthy and living, i-enjoy nila ang pera nila. So ang option nila is 5 years lump sum. Tama nga naman kasi kung may health problem ka, certainly alam mo na no, may gut feel ka na hindi ka tatagal sa mundong ito, enjoy mo na lang yung life mo. Spend your money, enjoy your retirement benefits na 5 years lump sum, and ayan. In fairness naman, friends, ang option na 18 months cash payment and monthly pension at age 60, marami naman yan sila na gusto nito. Pero yun nga, hindi lahat. Alright? So, if I were you, as early as now, you think, plan, and decide kung ano talaga ang gusto nyo. 18 months cash payment or 5 years lump sum. Kasi po, in my case, ang gusto ko po is 5 years lump sum. Kasi, I'm an entrepreneur. Gusto ko po i-invest yung receive ko na money na 5 years lump sum. Kahit na 5 years after pa yung pension ko, importante, may business ako. Although may business na ako ngayon, small business, dagdagan ko pa. Ayan po. By the way, na-compute ko na magkano yung 5 years lump sum ko, if ever, around 2 million. Yes, friends, kasi ang monthly basic pay ko na competition, 34,000. Siyempre, i-times natin sa 60 months, 2,040,000 yung ma-receive ko na 5 years lump sum. Okay na yan. 1 million for business and 1 million savings. And then hintayin ko yung 5 years na monthly pension ko. Ayan. Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.